How to view blocked accounts on Facebook Messenger. Firstly, you have to install the Facebook Messenger app in your Android from Play Store. Now open it in your Android. At the right top corner, you can see three lines. Click on it. Now click on this gear option. You can see here there is an option of privacy and settings. Now you can see here block accounts. Just you have to click on blocked accounts here. You can see which accounts are blocked on Facebook Messenger. You can also make it unblock by clicking on unblock option. Thank you so much. This was for both Android as well as for iPhone. Just watch the complete video by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.